guys, welcome back to another video. So today in this video we're going to talk about the Android Pie update for the Nokia 5. So I've been googling about the Android Pie update for Nokia for a very long time and I didn't get a proper result. Even I tried to contact the Nokia support, but still I didn't get a good result for that. But still now the Android Pie update is official to Nokia 5. If you are there, you can just go and download it. So let's see the update for the Nokia 5. So here's the look at the Android Pie update on the Nokia 5. If you go to the home screen, you can see that there is not a great change on the home screen of this. It looks as usual how it looks before also, but you can see there is a great change in the notification bars. So you can see that blue color icons are added everything. You can see if you're on it, you can see that it changed into blue. So I like this feature, the notification bar. And also you can see that you can, as usual, you can scroll between these. There is no changes to that. And you can see if you click on the settings and if you go, you can see this changes in the settings icons. You can see that everything has added blue color to that. So everything has added a color to that. You can see that everything is changed now to colored icons. So if you click on battery, you can see that it's changed to a colored icon than before. So before you can see that if you click on the adaptive battery, you can see that there is all color add to most of these. So the Android Pie update has added, Google has added many colors to this. So you can see the changes in the multitasking is that you can see that now the new way of multitasking is you can just click on it and go to that. Click on the camera and go to the camera as usual. Click on this and go to this option right here. So there is no a great change to this made. So if you go at this app drawer, there is the same app drawer as usual. There is no changes at the app drawer. Some fonts has been changed in the settings. So other than that, there is no other great changes made to that. And also if you go to the notification, you can see that there is no great, only font has been changed a bit. So there's no great change at the Nokia 5 update. So that's all. So make sure you... So guys, that's the end of the video. So I think you like the video. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe me and also like this video. And also share this video to any other friends who has Nokia 5 and also are interested about tech and the Android Pie update. So you can share this to your friends. So that's the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe me and also bye. Take care.